Ever wanted to play games for a living? Now it's possible! Hi, welcome to the world's #1 site for video game tester jobs. The gaming industry is now bigger than ever. From mobile phones, online games, and home consoles, video games are everywhere and is now the most profitable industry, even taking over the billion-dollar movie business. And these game companies spend millions to compete and make the best games possible. That's where you come in. You see, before any game is released to the public, they look for people just like you to test games and give their honest and unbiased review of the game. Simply test games, answer a few short questions, and get paid. We have helped thousands of gamers all over the world make money doing what they love. And now it's your turn. So if you're ready to be rewarded for playing games, click the Join Now button below and begin immediately.